Hi, welcome back. We have a visitor here. This is my cat, Mink. Super sweet, very beautiful. So we're 3 weeks today and 1 week from the wash that I did last week from this video posting. And most of the front, the top of my hair has some slippage, probably about an inch worth, and all the hairs around the edge line of my hair have completely come out in the wash due to the water weight, just due to the nature of the texture of my hair. So those locks had to be retwisted. When I wash my hair next time, I'll probably twist them in sections and band them and go through sections and maybe roll a rod and wrap up the ends so that they don't come undone the way they have, just because of the texture that I have. So that's a learning lesson. I can't do what everybody else does. So people could just wash their hair and it's fine for the most part with minimal to no unraveling. That's not the case with me. I at least had a 10 to maybe even 12 or so locks that had to be retwisted altogether, including one in the center of my head that completely came undone. But mostly the back stayed intact, so that's good. Less slippage from the root, less slippage from the ends. But the ones in the front, these guys, moving forward towards like that guy right there. Lots of slippage at the root. That's not new growth. Just a decision to or not to retwist the whole thing. I decided not to for that since the lock was mostly still intact. But I think you can see how more pronounced the texture of my hair is towards the front. It's definitely different from the back. Wavy, straight hair. Mixture of wavy, straight hair. And some slippage even through those. Those have had to be retwisted from the ends on a regularish basis. The thicker ones towards the middle and the back, not so much. So I do get a retwist from this video in about 6 days. This day is Saturday. I will be getting one done on Friday. And that'll be my 1 month update video that I'll be including this with. So hopefully we will get some things together and get some things a little bit back in order. I do have some stray hairs that are running from the lock, complete whole strands that have come outside of the twist. And I'm going to let my stylist handle that. What she sees best for my hair texture type. Lots of slippage there. And less slippage back there. And slippage from the bottom. I understand that it's quite normal and will resolve itself over time once the hair starts to behave the way it should. And of course, frizz.